Welcome to HaveFunLetsTravel. I'm Jeremy. If you're planning a trip to Silver Dollar City, let me tell you, timing is everything. The park has some of the best festivals in the country, and if you plan smart, you can save time, money, and you can make the most of every minute of your visit. Festivals tend to bring big crowds because they offer special things to see and do, so you don't want to just show up expecting a normal day at the park. You should check the Silver Dollar City website or app ahead of time to see what to expect on the days that you plan to visit. In April and May, come out for Spring Exposition. This brand new event got underway in 2025, and as you make your way to the new plaza and grand exposition area for unique entertainment, activities, and food, you can stroll beneath a parasail sky, a vibrant canopy of parasols strung 2 levels above Valley Road. Next, we have Bluegrass BBQ, a popular yearly event which blends delicious barbecue with bluegrass performances throughout the park. Known as one of the country's top bluegrass gatherings, it usually takes place in mid-May, though the exact dates change every year. One of the longest festivals on the park is Summer Celebration. This annual event takes place from June through the first week of August and offers live events, longer park hours, and some really cool special events. Next, we have the Southern Gospel Picnic, an annual celebration honoring Southern cooking and Southern gospel music. This special event usually takes place in late August or early September and provides a range of musical entertainment and food options in addition to performances by well-known Southern gospel musicians. Now, as the weather starts to cool off a little, it's time for Harvest Fest. This is an annual fall festival that features a wide variety of handcrafts, great food, and entertaining activities for the entire family. The festival usually takes place between mid-September and late October and offers both daytime and evening events. From Cowboy Count's Chuck Wagon Cookery, to Pumpkins in the City, to visiting crafters with special craft demonstrations, there's a little something extra for the entire family to enjoy. Ending off the season is our favorite festival, an old-time Christmas. This well-known Christmas celebration has won the title of America's Best Christmas Event numerous times. With more than 6.5 million lights, live performances, seasonal entertainment, a Christmas parade, and exclusive seasonal dining and shopping opportunities, this festival is a must-attend event during the holiday season. This festival takes place from early November to December the 30th and is one of the most loved festivals of the year. Be sure to check out the description for a printable tip sheet to bring with you to the park so you don't forget any of these time and money-saving tips. If you learned something new and enjoyed the video, hitting that like button would mean a lot to me. It really does help me out more than you know. Silver Dollar City is full of great restaurants, and we'll take a look at some of these in the video shown here. Thanks for watching. Tell a friend.